Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 118. So here it is. Let's read the story. The Xiaojing and Su Hishi. Right now, Su Hishi is trying to coax her, although she's getting tricky. She is asking her to stay tonight. And Su Hishi said to her, "You heard it." But right now, Xiaojing, look at her. It seems that she's going to cry. She was really speechless. Hearing this from Su Hishi, this moment, she really feels humiliated. Well, definitely, she feels so down. Suddenly turn around, wants to go away and leave Suhishi at that moment. But suddenly, Suhishi, she grabbed her hands and wants to stop her. Suhishi said to her, "Why didn't you go to Wangxing to find Senyu Lu?" Now Suhishi is asking her. But at this moment, Xiaojing, she is not speaking to her, and she is not answering her questions. Yan Yulan should have mentioned him to you, except for me, only he may help you. Suhishi said to her. But right now, Xiaojin, Suhishi said to her, "Why did you find me?" Instead of answering her, she said, "I will go to him." Xiaojing, she looks really sad. Suhishi, I thought even we are not friends, you will not be so ruthless to me. Xiaojing said to her. She was really teary, almost going to cry. I didn't even expect that. I'm very wrong. You hate me so much, even you humiliated me. Xiaojing, with a wry smile. You don't like me anymore. Well, definitely. She was really getting emotional. Right now, Suhishi said to her, "You have a wonderful conclusion." Maybe Suhishi wants to play with her. Of course, right now, Xiaojing, she is being emotional towards her. "Yes, I don't like you anymore," Suhishi said to her. Why suddenly she is grasping her hands? Maybe she really did wrong. Right now, she wanted this Xiaojing, and Xiaojing didn't bait it off. "Think, I didn't come tonight. Please forget about the movie." Now Xiaojing, she turned away from her. Looking at her, she really feel at loss. For Suhishi right now, she was whispering to herself, "You haven't answered me yet." Well, definitely. Since Xiaojing, she really feels humiliated. Of course, she don't want to argue to her anymore. Especially right now. "And why didn't you go? But you find me. Does that mean that you still care for me and expect from me?" Well, did Suhishi finally realize Xiaojing must have feeling for her? But definitely right now, since the two of them are really having a high ego, they don't want to bow down to each other. It was next day. At this moment, Xiaojing, she really needs someone to be able to find out. It was the office of director. "Hey, Mr. Lin, I treat you to a meal tonight. When you have time, you take Mr. Lu." Well, definitely. Director seems to be busy. After learning that Suhishi refused to help Gushi, Yan Yulan had to find other ways to go. He was busy conducting all day to help Gusishi to solve the problem. Well, he is getting impatient also. Definitely, this is not good. Looking at her reaction, it looks like it's not positive. Well, definitely, it's really hard to contact, but not for sale. Looking at the two of them, Xiaojing at this moment, she is smiling, but the director, she is getting impatient. Well, definitely Xiaojing at this moment. Xiaojing said, "Forget it. Anyway, I don't care how many years to wait." So right now, she was really sure that she want to back down on acting again. She told the director, "I care. I don't want a good actor professional life to be damaged in this kind of things." Well, definitely she was right. She was a good actor, but right now, she was left hanging. "Gu Xixi, let's go directly to Wasing to find Shen Yulu." "Oh, is this real?" The director seems to be approaching her. Well, it was a different way. Maybe she got really impatient. Right now, look at her. She said to herself, "Someone by the trap." Repeat that. It was Shen Yulu. He's calling her right now. Let's see on what will happen. The director said, "Hello." Right now, she was talking to something. Xiaojing, she really caught her attention and she was looking at her. Well, right now, the director, she's really happy. Said, "Really? Thank you for telling me this is good news. I will invite you to the dinner another day. Bye. So it turns out right now it was a good news. Gusishi, huh? She was really fussy, but the director, she seems to be happy so much. Well, it is really good news. Yuja voluntarily gave up the protagonist of this play. She wants to play supporting role. Director Lee decided that you are the new actor's son. Well, this is really good news right now, Xiaojing. She really can't believe it and said, really? At this moment, it's different. So, did Shuichi help her last night? Flash by. She was seeing her differently, but maybe Xiaojing. She doesn't realize. Since she's getting angry last night, right now she really don't want to admit on herself. Suhishi helped her. Now the director said get ready. Well, until now she really can't believe it. A month later, on winter. Right now they're going to film the movie. She was waiting for her turn to be shoots. The role of Shin Siyu was Xiaojing's main role. Right now she was reading the script. She looks really serious. Well, probably she really want to make it right. This is her comeback movie. Isku, you read the scripts for the day. Don't you rest? Right now, someone is approaching her. Xiaojing was looking at her. Well, definitely. Seems to be fuzzled. Yucha, so this is the girl who gave up the main role so she can take it. Now, looking at Xiaojing, she looks really nervous, or maybe she looks really surprised. Well, this is Yuja. She looks like the younger version of Mitsuhishi, right? Well, definitely this girl. She looks really beautiful. Also, she looks really young. Right now, Xiaojing stood up. I happen to have something to ask you for advice. Now, it really makes sense to her. She want to ask about role swap of the two of them. Right now, Xiaojing said, let's go to the side and chat. Well, definitely, she really want to ask a lot of questions. Or maybe this girl, she was really looking good. Also, she seems to be nice. I guess Miss Gu wanted to ask me why I gave up the heroine, right? Well, Yuja, it seems that she is really having a sense of humor. You can sense Xiaojing. Right now, hearing this, of course, Xiaojing, she looks really surprised and said, probably. This will be the long talk, let's hope. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!